My hands are about to freeze. I can't press the stop recording button.
Hey guys, it's Friday afternoon, 4 o'clock, and we've clocked off for the day. It's 10 degrees outside, so we have our woolies on and we want to take you on a little walk with us. Let's go.
So we're trying to get to the bluff, which is out over here. Gonna have to see if we can make it. Oh.
That was like a Mexican wave.
Nature's Mexican wave, absolutely amazing. So one of the reasons why we love getting out in nature every day is because every day is different, every day is unique, and we like to find lots of metaphors in nature, and it teaches us a lot about life, because some days out here it's stormy, obviously like today. It's a little bit wild. Other days are really sunny and calm, and yeah, it teaches us a lot about our own journey, just to enjoy each season, each day. Each season has its purpose and pros and cons, and we're learning that in life, and especially in this time with everything that's happening, to appreciate each season and to see what you can learn from it.
So that was our little nature fix for the day. It's as simple as that. Tag us in your little neighbourhood adventures, and we hope you have a great week.
See you guys. Woo!